Hello everyone. This is the 10th question in the series of JEE kinematics numericals. Here actually there is a car accelerating at the rate of 2 meter per second square from rest from origin, and in that car there is a man at the rear end who has gun in his hand. Okay, this person is supposed to be somewhere here, and he holds one gun in his hand, and when this car from rest accelerates along horizontal direction, after 4 seconds of journey this man fires a bullet so that he aims to hit the bird at t equal to 8 seconds. Okay, that means at t equal to 4 seconds, when he fires the bullet, at 8 second moment it hits, that is in time interval of 4 seconds the bullet goes and hits the bird. If this bird has a position vector for 40 I cap, 80 j cap, 40 k cap, find the velocity of projection of the bullet is a question. And very important thing here is they said take y-axis being in the horizontal plane itself. As I mentioned that the car is moving along x-axis, obviously this is x-axis. Even in the horizontal plane there is a y-axis. Perpendicular to the horizontal plane, that is against the gravity, there is z-axis. Okay, see here in solution I can say, if this is the truck, this truck is traveling along x-axis, okay, and being in this horizontal plane you need to feel one y-axis. This completely a horizontal plane. Okay, this is like parallel to the ground, x and y, perpendicular to the plane of the ground or against the gravity, this is z-axis, right? And you know, along acceleration along the x-axis, acceleration will be 0 because it is unaffected by the gravity, as well as ay is 0, both are in one plane. Against the gravity, z-axis is oriented, so in this direction az will be minus g. And see, if this person, a boy who is holding the gun, because he is a part of the trolley or car, if this end comes to this place in 4 seconds, even he also would have traveled to the new place, new position. He also occupies new position, right? Say it is O dash. Now along x-axis, let s is the distance traveled with the boy along with the truck, which I can call it as a half a t square, because initial speed of the truck is 0. So half a given as 2, t is 4, so you will get 16 meter, right? So he traveled already 16 meter, but they mentioned that x coordinate of the bird is 40 meters. So the new distance of the bird after 4 seconds with respect to the boy is now x dash is equal to x minus s. Originally 40 meters, because he already covered 16 meter, it will be just 24 meter now. Okay. See now, to travel 24 meter with no acceleration, what is the velocity required? Say it is ux. Okay, with what velocity he need to project the bullet along x-axis, means ux. So ux is equal to x dash by t. X dash value got as now 24, and you know the time interval is 4 seconds to 8 seconds with an interval of 4 seconds, so it will be 6 meter per second along I cap, right? Similarly, if you observe, to cover y coordinate of 80 meters, see, as he is moving along that a car or trolley along x-axis, there will be no changes in the distance of y coordinate of the bird as well as z coordinate of the bird. Okay, so for finding uy, I need to consider y coordinate of the bird by time interval. Okay, y coordinate of the bird is given as 80 meters. So 80 by 4, it will be 20 j cap meter per second. Okay, remember why I applied just this formula of distance traveled by time or displacement suffered by time. There are no accelerations along x and y axis. Now coming to the point of how to find the velocity component about z axis or along z axis. This purpose, because along z axis there is a retardation which is due to the gravitational force. Now we need to use equations of motion. So z is equal to, I'm simply applying second equation of motion, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Z is equal to uz into t plus half a z into t square. As z coordinate given is what? 40. Okay, 40 into uz, time interval is 4 minus g value, this is minus g, 10 minus 10, so 4 square. I can continue here. 2 ones are 2 5s are 20, 16 5s are 80, minus 80 you bring if to this side, it will be 40 plus 80, 120 into equal to uz into 4. Obviously you got uz as 30 or uz bar equal to 30 k cap meter per second. Therefore velocity of the bullet with which he fired is u bar equal to 6 I cap plus 20 j cap plus 30 k cap meter per second will be our answer of what is that, velocity of projection of the bullet. Hope so you understood this process. And here the main idea is to get to know about where accelerations will be 0 and where acceleration will be there. Thank you.